Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the extract table feature on SmartPaste. If you haven't already installed SmartPaste, you can go to smartpaste.io and find the instructions for installation there. So once you've installed it, you could see this button that says click to open SmartPaste, and we're going to click it. If you don't see the button there, you could go to the extensions tab or extensions button here, and you're going to see that SmartPaste may not have been pinned. You can either click on it and or you can pin it. After you pin it, you're going to see it show up here. So once you click it, you're going to see the sidebar show up on SmartPaste. What we're going to do is go over to the Extract tab, and afterwards, we're going to go over to the Tables button, right? You're going to see a button that says Select a Table. So what SmartPaste does is we replace the default Chrome PDF viewer with a different PDF viewer. And to extract tables, you're going to open up the PDF in Chrome, and you're going to see something like this. Afterwards, what you're going to do is you're going to press Select a Table, and you're going to select the table in your PDF, and you're going to click and drag over it. Afterwards, you let go, and you can see that the table has been parsed. So you can do this with a bunch of different PDFs or websites. So in this case, that was an example of a PDF. Here's an example of the MTA bus schedule, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to highlight it, and we're going to drag over it, and there you go. We've extracted the table from a PDF. So one thing to keep out for is that SmartPaste is only going to try to create a table format in order to keep the table in the same format that it comes with. So try to keep as many separate cells as you can. So instead of highlighting the title here, we're only going to highlight the cells. Here's a different example where we go to a table, an example table on a random website. So same thing. It's as easy as pressing Select a Table. You're going to see your browser window turn dark gray, and you're just going to highlight over the table that you want. And there you go. And that's it. Once you want to move that table into something like Excel, you're going to press Copy Table to Clipboard, and it says copied. We're going to go over, in this case, we're going to go to Sheets, and all you're going to do is press Paste. It says to use a shortcut here, so I'm going to use a shortcut, and you can see that the table that we copied in the other tab is pasted in the format that we want. Thank you, and have a good day.